Hey guys, Captain Keto here with another video. This is day number 4. Day 4, guys. We're doing really strong, really going good. I'm still at 4.0 on the ketones so far as the test strips say. The meals I had today was I did my original 2 eggs, 4 bacon for breakfast. For lunch I actually had a salad this go around. Just a regular salad, nothing with like tuna or anything like that. On top of that, I also had for dinner, I did a new casserole. It was called a chicken bacon ranch casserole, but it was keto friendly. I made sure of that. It had bacon, had a little bit of ranch, a little bit of cheese, chicken in it, chicken thighs because it has more fat. I used to eat chicken breasts all the time, but my wife says that chicken thighs have more fat, so that's where we're going to go. Update on my wife, she officially has some ketones in her, so that's a good thing. It's starting to show up. I hear it's easier for some people than it is for others, and I hear it's easier for men than it is for women to get into ketosis. So I really don't look down on the fact that I'm at 4.0, and I don't know exactly her number, but she has a small amount. So she's getting there. That's awesome. This is still only day 4, guys. I mean, God knows what the benefits are going to be like. This is going to be pretty dang awesome. Haven't weighed in. I'll weigh in on Tuesday, like I said before. So I donning my, I forgot to tell you guys about my hat. No, Broncos. You know, I'm probably going to get a lot of heat about this, but I'm a diehard fan. Have been ever since I was a little kid. Other than that, guys, that's really the update. So, as always, please do me a favor, click the subscribe button at the bottom, hit the bell notification so that you are told when a new video comes out. Also, if you're on YouTube, go to It's a Keto Life for Us on Facebook and sign up for the group. I've left it open so that anybody can sign up. But at the same time, it won't be long and I'll be closing it, and then I'll only be doing by invite only. So please do me a huge favor. Join It's a Keto Life for Us on Facebook so that we can get that group up and running, guys. I really need you guys to show up. Also, if you're on Facebook seeing this, go to my YouTube channel, Captain Keto. Go and everyone click the thumbs up, hit the like on the Facebook, hit the like on the YouTube. Click the subscribe button, click the bell notification so that I can get my tribe going, guys. This is it. We're going on the keto trip. We're on day number 4, almost a week in. It's really getting excited, guys. I really am. Alright, you guys have a great night, and I'll see you in the next video.